It's December 1, kaya mag-vlogmas tayo. I have work, kaya ayan. We are starting off strong. May nagpadala sa atin ng gift, so thank you so much. And just like that, tapos na po ang araw. And after work, nag-gym ako. I went to Anytime Fitness. Yes, nag-gym na po ako ngayon because it's good for my wellness, overall wellness, and my mental health. At dyan, nagko-contemplate na ako kung tama pa ba yung mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Char! But anyway, yes. After ng aking mga exercises, may boxing session pa ako after nito. So, ayan, nag-start na yung boxing. Akala mo madali, pero actually mamamatay na ako dyan, charot. But anyway, tuloy-tuloy lang natin to. Let's continue to show up. And after gym, ayan, kumain tayo. After naman natin no, nag-attend ako ng Christmas tree lighting. Yes, it's an event dito sa amin, ang pag-light ng Christmas tree tuwing December 1. And then for dinner, nag-Tokyo-Tokyo lang kami. So, yun lang!